Before now, I've talked about how to withdraw coins, from your Binance account to your bank account in Nigeria. If you've not seen that video, you need to just look up. All right, maybe I'll post it somewhere here in the description, or check around my channel. I'll provide a video. All right, but there's something that we've not talked about. Now, we all know that some coins that are present on the P2P options are just the most popular coins like Bitcoin, BNB, and Ethereum. And some of these other coins are not there. So, how do we now withdraw that one to bank account in Nigeria? All right, to your local bank account. All right, so I'm using Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. All right, that's why I'm using Nigeria. If you are living in another country, it's a different thing altogether. So I'm going to show you how to withdraw coins like Xripple, Dogecoin directly to your bank account with live proof and everything. So it's just as simple as ABC. So you're gonna have to stay tuned to the end of the video, watch everything, understand everything, so you don't have to panic whenever it comes to withdrawing your coins
to your bank account in Nigeria or in
your local bank account wherever you reside. Hello guys, so you're welcome to my channel. Okay, if you've watched the previous video, I showed you guys how to withdraw Ripple and that's X Ripple and Dogecoin to your Binance account, and you can see we have Ripple in our Binance account already. So in this video right here, I'm going to show you how to withdraw all these coins to your bank account in Nigeria. Now, most persons knows how to use P2P, but on the P2P option, let's say you click on sell, you can see that not all coins are displayed there. There are only just few coins, that's USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, NGN, and DAI that is available. So how do you now withdraw this your coin to your bank account in Nigeria? How do you do that? So now let's go back. Now the first thing, let's start with okay, that we are going to talk about, let's be specific. Let's talk about how to withdraw Dogecoin to your bank account in Nigeria. So now what do we do here? We go to where we call market, and we go to Doge. Now when you go to market, search Doge/USDT. Now we have Doge/USDT. So now what are we buying and what are we selling? So we are selling Doge to USDT. All right, so I click on sell, and then I change this to market, not limit, and then how many percent of Doge am I selling to USDT? All right, I'm selling 100%. That's max. All right, that's the total Doge I have within my account, and then I click on sell. Immediately I click on sell. Now if you come to wallet, you can see that sell is successful. Come to wallet, you can see that this amount has been sent to USDT successfully. So with this USDT, we can easily withdraw this coin from our what do they call it, our Binance account to our local bank account. All right, for those in Nigeria, to your local bank account in Nigeria, or those in the United States to your local bank account in the United States of America, or wherever country that you reside. You can withdraw this USDT directly to your local bank account. All right, so if you don't know how to withdraw your coin from Binance to your local bank account, please do what to watch the video I'm going to link up, or maybe in the description other videos I'm going to link below, so you know how to withdraw all these coins down to your local bank account successfully without mixing words. So please, if you understood this video very well, please like and subscribe to this video, and see you in the next video.